Have you ever?
This is a rollout. This is an ab wheel. Most gyms have it. They don't. They're really not that expensive. You can just put it in your gym bag. Ab rollouts they're really advanced and they will rip your stomach up. However, they're one of the best ab exercises along with toes to bar. So this is an advanced move, and I want to show you a couple of variations with the ab rollouts. First, we're going to show you on your knees. So if you need a mat for your knees, you can get it set up for your knees. You're going to roll out, keeping your belly button spine. See, she's not collapsing here. You come back in. Now do it with a weak core, like keep your butt into it, like you just saw. See how she's collapsing there? No bueno. Now do it the right way. About 3 of them. She's keeping tight here. All she's doing is belly button spine really. That keeps you real tight. And she's going all the way out. Love it. Love it. Alright, so that's one. That's an easier version. Now, take a couple breaths. This is the hard one. This is advanced. Ab roll out. Standing ab roll out. It's going to go all the way. There you go. That's good. Yeah. Unless you want to do it again. Boom. Get it. That's a standing. Awesome.